we have been here interacting with clan heads from throughout to the Bugwere region or the Bugwere part of Bukedi. We have analyzed the leadership, the leaders. We developed a strategic plan, and now we need to get it implemented. So we are looking at every avenue, how we can mobilize the entire community to participate in this strategic plan. So we have various categories of leaders. The first ones are the civil leaders, the ones who are the public servants throughout our institutions, and we have been mobilizing those. We have worked with some of them. Then we have the political leaders, those ranging from LOC 1, LOC 2, LOC 3, LOC 5, the members of parliament. We have also mobilized those ones and we are working with them. Then we have the religious leaders. And so the religious leaders, we have categorized them also and we are mobilizing them. Those who are Christians, then those who are Muslims, and those who are believers in other faiths. So we are also going to engage them because we want to cover, we want to blanket the whole of Bukedi with knowledge, which creates awareness, mindset change, and empowers them with skills to be able to understand and to implement the strategic plan. So today, this area, one of the groups of leaders we have are the cultural leaders. Now, as you know, Bugwere sometime had decided that they are going to have a cultural institution and a leader called Ikumbania. However, we have not been very successful. In fact, we have only stabilized for a very short time, and then that leader died, and up to now we have not replaced. And so definitely that institution is not working. So what we have decided is to go back to clan leadership. Because the clan leaders, they might have, some clans might have some contentions, but about 80% of the clans have very clear leadership. Everybody belongs to a clan, and especially the young people, but also the older people who reside in the countryside. They work through this clan system. So we brought together all the clan heads and we went through with them what the strategic plan is. They got to participate themselves, especially in enterprise selection in Chibalo. Chibalo tool is something that we have optimized. We have developed this tool from knowledge that we have been picking from His Excellency the President. He has continuously talked about farming with the Chibalo. And we have put it together and systematized it such that it is very easy. It's actually almost like a miracle when you get people who know nothing about it, and within an hour they're like, this thing doesn't make money. Not only do they get that information, but they learn how to do it, how to sit at their homes and do it, how to sit in small groups elsewhere with other people. We empower them with that. We accomplish two things. The first one is mindset change. Mindset change has been elusive. You tell people do this, they still go to what they believe in. We came with PDM, we told them for small scale holders, people with less than 4 acres, please work in these 7 enterprises. Still they went to the other things because they didn't have a reason, they didn't have an understanding. But so this one helps us to have mindset change very quickly. That people know, no, I cannot choose that one. No, I will not put my money there. It doesn't come back. But secondly, it really empowers them to justify that decision and gives them the knowledge on how to keep doing this. And so this is actually the way we also came up developing this strategic plan and how we have made our sensitization go viral. It's literally viral. On this round of working in Bukedi, I have been with Bukedi Development Consortium as they were making the implementation plan. I have been with Tororo. I've been in Tororo where all the 7 districts were represented in an event. Yesterday I stepped out a bit. I went to Kapchorwa, to Kwen. I went to Kwen in Soy district and did the same thing, and the result is the same. And today I was here, we did the same thing, and the result is the same. But the goal is to blanket the whole of Bukedi with knowledge and a mindset which supports the strategic plan.
Mutono Mbulambago Robert, ebitiwa na bingi nekitiwa kinde teranu, Chairman Council of Elders, Omupalisa, Kibuku, Butevo, Budaka and Diaspora, Buli Ali, Omugwere enena. Olunaku lwatyaanu nga 15 mweri gwokubiri omwaka guno ogw'2025 tulina masanyu mangi anu nkamusite naddala omu Eastern Region anu omu Bukedi Zone. Twesiima ino omulamwa gwenkulaakulana Dr. Monica Musenero oyo omwala waiso omwagalwa gwatuleeteire anu ebintu bingi byenjegere nenjegeremu ebintu bisatu. Lwaki abantu baavu tuzire tutyo mu wavu era nike kireeta abantu kuba baavu ekintu ekyensokero kwegano lwaki tuli mu wavu ino tulekite kiweta nti mindset abantu besibire ino omukuboludo abantu besibire ino omugayangana abantu besibire munaguguno mwinaye naddala essaawa enu ekyenjegeranu ekireetera abantu okwegawula o politics wajire wa NUP awalana wa DP wajire wa DP awalana wa UPC wajire wa UPC awalana wa NRM nokoboti abantu abazomuki omulugo olumo mwegawula mwatuuka ina atenga sonsana twetagangana noiza omukalicha indi wa mubala indi wa wayabire indi wa musimami abantu nibeyaga lumu kwegawula gawula mumfanane fanane etyo nitwizo mu dini inze tindi musiramu inze ndi mukatoliki inze ndi born again inze kwegama neonanga tuule kigambe kiweta nti mindset ekinde kyenjegere olunaku lwata nekyendi ukubira abana Uganda banamona tiwugwere wonkani inti tuzomu kwegawula gawula tubo mu kigambo omusenere kyakwenti unity of purpose irrespective oli wedi niki irrespective oli political affiliation niki irrespective oli mukali kyaki irrespective oli muirugazu irrespective ozwere yaina ekikulwe ino twetaganga na tuzwe mu kabira tuzwe madini tuzwe omukwesosolagana okubanga twesosolagana tukayo kweyunga tubone nti tubinga niki owavu wenkubira omulanga okwega kunu naddala batukobere iwenga omukulu wekika niki okyo ndi kubanga okolera abantu bo oba niki okyo no ukola abantu abandi bakuoneraku bakwati omukulu wekika no kubanga yandabirwamu roromodo obanga sawa kubinga uwavu muluga iwe abantu abokulembera bayizeke uwo bayize baone kyokola obenga ni olisi enkoko gya mulembe obenga ni olisi ombizi wa mulembe obenga ni olisi ombuli wa mulembe esawe niyo kwati njaka kusibako muyigona kya muntu ekyo kizwiro esawe no muntu amanyengere jafuna meisi giyalisi embuli egiyalisi enteje egiyalisi ombiziwe engeri giye kumamu kubanga sente tukobere omuntu okumalako mwaka ensasanya muntu ukaire 10 naye wati ana ukaire 10 wafuna otya okukairo 10 wafuna otya ngo okola kinde kitaleta niki esente abantu bamalire bisera mukulima mutiere no mubalirira okulima kuzumu umweri ogusoka paka mweri gw'omukaaga alimeke namba nateka mutwala abiri gyo kupangizya akwa akuzwaye nga 0 ne bafu 3 ola bakola batukwe tunonya ebintu ebireta amabesa esaawe eno kiriwo mulamwa batukobere tukubire abantu mulange gituzwanga isaba kulembeze oya ali mu mwanye tolyejusa oya ali mokokao tuwalyejusa esente sandulengere gigiri iswe tuli ukobanti buli muntu alonde e project jawo koleraku wali mamwanyi wali makoko ne yatyano uzi uli wonti otakulimo mwanye kanamba oyito yabaire neka 2 muri abayisuka 10 agawira makataka lyako mwawukola mutyo kuona nti mulima eka 2 je mwanyi tuli ukobanta abantu abagawira mu utakalyeke mwiza bayiramo abana abo babenge project ngesako tuli memyanyi omweka yayisoba ito gya tutemeire buli mutamanyati tuli naki neka emyanyi teto kuzimba bali ukoba ebyo kuzimba mu mwana zimbe dogugangu azime no gangu twakuzimba lero makalina okusinzirira aku Vision 2030 2040 bali ukoba nti ewaiswanu balondera ama district tabuli district ayakubamu ikolero ayakubamu masomero ayakubamu ebyokulunda kwegamba buli district yabane kile kyekola kusize ku strategic plan 2040 vision.
Sokanizi wasaka na James Secretary General w'abanyekero nkikirire oitabangi w'abanyekero Lawrence Wamale ona kulwatiano tusisinka ino Minister wa Science and Technology Honorable Msenero azira no kutusomesya enkola yakwe kulakulania olina kulubaire rusa uli muntu abaire msanyuki era natulegera engeri ya kukyusa abagwere n'engeri gibasobola okukyusa endooza yawe ekyenjagiriemu nti enkola gibatwegeseryemu ebaire ensaino startup ebaire ensaino era ntwasanga singa abaita bangi sonna tokwata enkola eyo kyatukolera era kyakukyusa abagwere ekikulu ino iswe abaita bangi singa twabanga tusiga ensiga eyo mu bagwere mu bika byaiswe abagwere basetuka era bakyusa endooza yawe owava bawubinga mu byona ekyenjagiriemu ekikulu projects gitwabire nga tubala ku nkoko tubala niki ebyo koko bitwale sente nyingi ekyensubira nti nje kisobola okulemesya abagwere okusetuka niye kitweta capital ebye sente otherwise bine bindi nti itakali omuntu asobola okukolera omulimu okwenkemoiza era nakola atya nabitawo so abagwere bali betefutefu okubona nti bakyusa endooza gyawe bawula kindi ekibali kwera ba supporting programs ja government bebali honorable minister okuleta endooza eyo bebali buli mwezi participating ile nadalo Kisale and Eric Mwima no President Museveni yaleta ekintu kinu ntikibe omubukedi nolwekyo abagwere nga bagwere betefutefu okukyusa endooza yawe Sigari wasaka na James Secretary General w'abanyekero okulwa Wamale Lawrence
Malina banja Taroja Sigata nga nkulembere kika ky'abanaminto ngoyita bangi tuzwa kuba omusomo gututandikira makezi nga kwata ku byenkulakulana naye point ebeire nti kulakibeta abakulu b'ebika ekikansiwuko ya buli kintu ekikansiwuko y'empisa ekikansiwuko yakumanya ekikansiwuko yewebemberi wombona n'ebintu ebindi nolekyo nga abakulu b'ebika ng'omulama gumayiro okwiza gwenkulakulana okukwatagana n'obukedi nti abaita bange basaanire batandikira olugendo enyuma abaita bange babeere n'ebibakolanga ng'otwaireko amansalo g'ebigona abakayana kwiryamu abantu naye atya n'essaawa eno omulamwa guli nti ab'ekika balina okukulembera abantu nga babawa omulamwa gw'okunoonya ebyenfuna enfuna gootaine ate tukulembera abantu abaavu nolwekyo tuli suppose okwaba nsi tusomesya banaisu ebitukulembera basetukiremu batandika okukola tinkola kudokwaira ate anonkola ekyukiremu twalimanga tutayuka ate anabigana byafunde waire ekirindo kosa katono osobola okufunamu ekinene so omusomo gubeire musa nti gututwala okunkola empyaka y'okukozesa ekitono naye nga tufuna kinene.
Nze Galandi Paulo Emiruzige Kanso njizira mu lukiiko olw'olwatyano luno minisitule yeetera abakulu b'ebika n'abantu abandi abakungu abali mu bugwere okuteesa ku ngeri eki gye esobola okutoola mu butaki omu lukiiko luno ekituli kutoolamu ndi kuwona nti abaita bange bafunire ekibinyibinyi ekisooka obusooki okukyusa endowooza tusobola okwekiriryamu nti tusobola okwetoola mu butaki okukyusa endowooza eyo kyabirako ebikolwa ebyokurifokasinga kuba tulingiriire oku bintu ebisobola okuleeta esente omu maka abantu nibaza mu butaki tubaliriire ekyokuwoneraku ng'omuntu ali mu mutyere oya kuona okuyikaikana okwakubalanga kolere losi okunkomerera byona ng'omuntu alimira maido alimira duma oya so ekikulu kya byona nga alwe ekitwakola ekitutoola mu butaki tuteekwa okusooka okukola ekibalo President wa Uganda President Museveni atera okitumulaku naye anu tete kyongeirwe amamaani okuteeka ekibalo mu ekyo yaba okola kubona nto kunkomero ebena byona ongirye sente naye nga toli ukola niki toli ukola loss awo twasooka okungira sente mu maka obugwere yakulakulana n'obukedyeena okutwaliryamu yakulakulana kubanga obugwere akole kitundu kinene ino okubukedi ebisinga ku bintu ebayire bigana abantu okuza mu butakingo aliwo ekintu ky'obutakoleramu abanyere babitumwire ko bayita bangi buli mwezi kola kake ate katono ate nga okwegaita cyane bayire kyamaani ino ntusolongeramu ekyo kubiri amatakali abantu bamaliro kuona tubanyonyoire amatakali saawenu tuyine itakali itono era buli family etegaite ne baku ne itakali ine neje kolerake kintu twabirenga tutematema so esaawenu niyo ugaite itakali nti so tutyamanu aba makatu gazimbe kumpi amamo kaise itakali lisigaire otulimireku awo emere solo kungira yo kulya neyo ukole sente okusinzira oku business ejo twabasalira okuteka kamani nteno niyo yaletange sente omumaka
nizo la kisamu ekika kyange ndi mukatikoko wakatikati kinsanyusire ino olukiko luno tubaire mu lwatyano nze banjeterenga omuntu awamalawuki okubintu ebisinga obungi omu bugwerano kubanga mbaire mu biseera ebisingira obungi ebika byaisu byakabaire bikola omulimu munene ino singa bibaire bikolera amo n'ebika bino bikiririe abantu abandi okubangiramu nibabawulwa nibabawuzaabuza okutakolera amo esaawa eno kumulimu kumusomo gwe tuzwako esaawa eno tusomere nga tukoba nti tulina okukola okuzwa omuwavu ng'omukulembeze wakoba isoba gwere tukolera kida kyonkani abakulembeze bebika basuuke wonero eri abantu bawe nga tumalira olukiiko luno tubamesaawa eno bakangeika bakole enkiiko bakobera abantu ebibegerano kyaba kisa ino ku omuntu nti olime nga weno likulima honalebo minisita waisu atulagire nti tuwakobera omuntu ekyawukolanga ewula okiwulaku oumanye okobera omuntu ekiwakola kiyakolanga omulagisya nawo abakulu baisu ebebika bakabaire bakole ekyo amaka gawe ebidaala byabwe bisuuke demonstration farms abantu babe baboneke kibakola bazwa mu kukoba nti niba bawa abantu ensonga giri ibiri okuzwa mu musomo guno aliwo okwetegeka n'okutegekera tutwategekera abantu tubategeke butegeki abakindi ekyo kumanya n'okutegeera excellence ngo abantu bamanya umanyi n'okutegeera be twabo maiso okunonererya kintu tukitegeere kasi tukikole egwere twakabere tuli yala ino singa tube tukoleramo atenga tuyaya n'okwega nga tuyaya n'okuba nti kino twazwa mu tutya okwemanya kintu kikulu ino omusomo guno gutuzwa mesaawe eno tuli kuzwamu nga tuli kwetegeera tuli kubuku bino kuzoku census je tubafunererwe ko disegiriwo tuli no ukangeika tukole ino tuzwe mu kinu tuwulira ku mu history nta amawanga gabitironga Japan China India bali bawabu ino nebezwire sona tuli nokwezuula tuli bawabu olwensonga kirebe tukizwemu okwerumaluma kuno tuyikirira abantu abandi okutuyingiramu for instance o politician na iznaka tuwakola olukiko iwewe kikana na kuloberi okole olukiko yo mwana kuloberi okole olukiko luno yena alinekika niwo omukulu we omukaseera ako lwakito mwetani okusoko kumubitira muno koti ntako olukiko luno lwatuyamba yano nze ndi kulowooza nti olukiko luno lutuzwamesawe lwakola ino singa bakulu bebika begaita n'abakulembeze abalonde ekyo kikulu ino abakulembeze ab'emirundi emibiri bakola ekyenjawulo singa baba bakolagana ng'ekibateesa okukola kikoleka tweyanza ino twesimire ino nti olukiiko luno lwatukyusa it has been a marginal kind of mindset muno gye tuzomusaawe.
Lydia Akiding here in Kirika, Kam City, Kibuku District.